पाकिस्तान की ड्रोन सरगर्मियां तशवीश का बायस है। मुल्क मुखालिफ सरगर्मियों से मौसर तरीके से निपटने के लिए एंटी ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी तैयार की गई है। डीआरडीओ चेयरमैन जी सतीश रेड्डी ने सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ जम्मू सांबा दौरे के दौरान ये बात कही।
The country, DRDO, has developed the anti-drone technology. It has all the necessary elements which are required to counter the drones, whether it is detection, tracking, and also even surveillance, and then even a process called soft kill or hard kill. All the things have been provided, and the technology has been transferred to multiple industries, and they have taken the orders from various forces in the countries. Capability of the anti-drone system has been demonstrated multiple times, and for the public to know that it has been deployed during the Independence Day and during the Republic Day also. Lots of youngsters and startups also have come up in the drone area who are doing a lot in these technologies, and we are all as a nation doing a very good job in the drones, whether it's a single drone or swarm drones. As the technologies are emerging today, the war scenario is, the war game is changing day by day. Unless we are very alert and we are also getting our technologies up to date with these things coming up, any country also cannot stand. So these asymmetric warfare technologies which are coming out, we are all working in the country, multiple agencies, DRDO, industry are working out on all these technologies, and that's how the nation will be prepared.
सदर जमहूरिया रामनाथ कोविंद 2 रोजा